Final Cut Pro, the #1 photo and video app on the Mac App Store, was recently updated to version 10.6, and it adds a really cool feature, machine learning-based object tracking. So this video shows off that new feature with the star of Photics TV, Fluffy. And here are two things that Fluffy really enjoys: eating treats and chasing hairbands. That's being exhibited here, along with the new tracking features in Final Cut Pro. The speech balloons can be synced with the movements of Fluffy's cute face. So, how does it work? First, it's a good idea to use the blade tool to slice the area that you want to work with. The video clip will be scanned, so to not waste processing power or time, the scanning is limited to a specific area. Then you just drag an object onto the scene, such as a speech bubble. A grid will appear that shows the tracking area. You can customize the shape to more closely match what you want to track in the scene. This is important as Fluffy's whiskers can throw off the tracking. Once you're happy with the shape, press the Analyze button to use the machine learning tracking. See the green outline? That shows the tracking. If you see it flickering or bouncing around too much, that's probably not going to work. Changing the tracking shape could yield better results. If this seems slow to you, I'm using a 2018 Mac Mini. The 2020 M1 MacBook Air is so much faster for this task. Also, I'm screen recording this action, so that puts even more pressure on the Mac Mini. Also, the speech bubble is better positioned to match the location of Fluffy. That's basically how object tracking works. I've been using this feature a lot in Photics TV videos, as it doesn't just track faces. You can add dramatic titles or add a pointing arrow to a moving object. It's very nice. If you don't immediately add tracking to a graphic, that's okay. It's part of the Transform tool. Just select the Tracker option to add the effect later. What do you think? Do you like how this looks? You can let everyone know in the comments. Thanks for watching.